So today we will synthesize some trance pass line on the grid. So I make BPM slightly higher. Let's say 150. 150. What do you think? 150 is okay? I think it's okay. Okay, so here I change. Okay, I make now bigger interface. Like this. Now it's bigger. So BPM I have here. I change BPM now. For example, I want to use the kick we did before. So what I will do, I go here on the right side in the browser. In the right corner, there is a files icon. So I go there, and the first line is current project. Then the last one in the list is recent projects. So I open here my recent projects. This was lesson 4. I open it and I see all the channels we did last time. It's actually projects, all the channels. So what I want to do, this was a group with kick and bass. This is kick that I built last time. So I just drag and drop it here. Okay. Yep. So we hear it now here. So you can drag and drop channels from any project that you're working recently. You can open it here in the browser, in recent projects. So we have it here already. The kick I did last time. So maybe we'll drop something else. The drum machine. Okay, I will drop drum machine from a last project. Okay, we have some snares here. Good. So now let's make one more instrument channel and let's try to build the bass line. The bass line. We put grid, polygrid. I put here polygrid. We build the clip. Select time with a range. Make loop with L. Normally bass and kick I keep always in a group, so I can expect them, see the waveform. Now I put them in a group. New group. Here I can make a name for this group. Kick and bass. Okay. So now I will just draw simple sequence to work with. Some pumping bass line, then we will do 16 bass line, but let's first work with this one. Let's open grid. Here we have output. This is amplitude envelope. We will keep it. We will not change it. Let's keep it. So for bass line, we use sawtooth oscillator normally. So this is sawtooth. You can right click on model and change from a list, or you can go here in the browser, choose oscillators and drop oscillator here. Next, we need a filter. I go to the filter section. Here we can choose from a bunch of filters. You can experiment with them because they slightly different sounding, all of them. So let's take this one, LED, the ladder. Then we will drop a mixer. Another envelope to control cutoff of bass line. We need one more envelope. This is envelope, so we take analog decay envelope. Okay, from here we go here. In models, in most of them, like this input output on the top, like in envelopes, you can send audio through and control decay of amplitude. But to control other parameters, you take from here for blue point, and we connect it here. So it should work now. Oscillator is not connected. So let's connect. I put here 2 oscillators, and we will need 2 oscillators. I will show you why now. Now we need a mixer. Mix. We'll drop a mixer. From mixer sound, we'll go to filter. And now we will connect 2 oscillators here. So we can now control the volume. So let's check sound. Okay, we already have something looks like bass line, but it's too much resonance here. Okay, we need, I think, to move 1 octave down. We can do it there in the MIDI lane, or we can do it here. Like here, we control the division. We can here go octave up or octave down. So now we have the kind of bass line. Normally, I put two envelopes to control filter, as same as I do for kick. One to control the very first part of bass line to make it more punchy. I open it, and another control the body of bass line, the filtering. So let's put one more envelope. Now put ADSR. So to use both of them, we need one more mixer. Here the mixer. Let's connect both of them to the mixer. And here to cut off. So now let's check why we need two, not one. Because with this, with AD, analog decay, I can make this. I can control the very first part of the bass line. And with the second one, I can open here. To control the body. Sustain. I can open sustain to control the body. So as you can hear, it now plays only this oscillator. This we keep for later experiments. As you hear, the sound is already like bass line, but it's drifting. So it's all the time the waves start from a different position to lock position. So each note is start from the same position. We have here this button. So we lock the phase. We can lock the phase. And we can actually control the phase, the start position of the bass line oscillator. This is give us some very nice option, especially on 16 bass line, fast bass line. So to control this, we need to go to the, let me check, level, and take this value button. And now we can connect it to the phase input, both of them. So both of them start from the same position. Let's check if we hear any difference. Okay. And tune it. Let's try with the level. Maybe level will work better. Okay. To trigger notes. Now let's try take it off. Okay. Now it seems stable. But as I remember, we need this value, not level. Okay. Not here. This is phase. If we connect here, we just turn on and turn off this parameter. But this is blue one, hit the phase. If we put here our parameter, we can control the phase. So here we make amount full on, 100%. Now we can control. So this is simple bass that you can build on a grid. And it sounds really, really good. So next, let's check how they mix together, kick and bass. For this, I use oscilloscope. I want to see this waveform. It's very important to see this waveform. Okay, let's open it so we can see. Okay, so we see the bass needs slightly more volume. What I'm doing also, I'm checking how they mix together on the low frequencies, because sometimes, even for me,